Первый вопрос. Назовите, пожалуйста, численность населения в Российской Федерации.
Questions of the first round about Russia. So we would like to ask you to write down your answers, and then our students will take them to our jury. Okay?
And the first question is, what is the population of Russian Federation? You know, what is the population of Russia? Yeah, just it's going to be a rough estimate. Russians, how many Russians live in Russia?
Как раз про это рассказывали во время...
Yeah, Irina was talking about that when we're showing on the map. Yeah, that's it, right? So we need to have multiple questions. Yeah, there's several rounds.
Ну что ж, время.
Time is up.
Time is up.
Вопрос number 2.
Question number 2.
Назовите самое глубокое озеро в мире, которое находится в России.
Name the deepest lake in the world. It is located in Russia. The deepest lake in the world.
Remember, cleanest water.
Итак, третий вопрос и это последний вопрос в этом туре.
Last question.
Last question of this round.
Сколько океанов омывают берега России?
How many oceans is Russia washed by?
How many oceans are around the Russian shore?
How many oceans? Only oceans. Not seas.
Not seas, oceans.
Do you know that? So please write down. You are ready?
Oh, they were only three. What if your answers were wrong?
Все, время? Время?
Dear guest.
Время первого тура. К концу.
Yes. Now we would like to suggest you a little bit a musical pause. And let me introduce you our teacher of this college. And also she is a composer, Rosa Mukhtinova.